If you're a process manufacturer, you need an ERP that's built for your industry, because things like lot traceability and FSMA 204 compliance are non-negotiable. BatchMaster has those features and more, but there are some things you need to know before you buy. So in this video, I'll be focusing on the exact scenarios where it performs well, the deal breakers we see in real evaluations, and how buyers typically decide whether the system is a fit. BatchMaster is an ERP that's built specifically for process manufacturers. I'm talking food and beverage, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. Basically anything that uses a formula, this software helps you produce it. It has all the features you'd expect out of the box, like formula management, lot tracking, and quality inspection. So if you're in discrete, where you're assembling products out of parts from a BOM, you'll need to look elsewhere. We usually see BatchMaster work best for growing manufacturers, typically 20 to 200 employees. These are small to mid-sized companies that have outgrown spreadsheets or disconnected platforms. Usually they want a more structured system, but don't need the complexities of something like SAP S/4HANA. It offers two different packages, the SME and Enterprise editions. The SME edition is the more common one. This one's built for the cloud, and it's more lightweight. The Enterprise edition has the same manufacturing features, but you're required to use SAP Business One for financials and back office modules. So with all that said, there are a lot of things BatchMaster does well. I think that its batch production and formulation modules are some of the best on the market. It starts at the formula level. You can control recipes with total version history instead of static BOMs. And when a batch is created, it automatically scales the formula to the required batch size. And if you ever need to edit a recipe, you can do it without deleting the original. This is really useful for dealing with ingredient substitutions or scaling production up or down. The scheduling is great too. Most entry-level MRPs can plan around demand or capacity, but struggle with yield factors and real-world constraints. BatchMaster handles these details easily, so your planners get timelines that actually reflect what happens on the production floor. And once production starts, the system embeds lot numbers across raw materials and finished goods automatically. That gives you true bi-directional traceability without needing third-party add-ons, which saves time when audits or recalls come up. So its manufacturing features are great, but I also like that it offers accounting flexibility. A lot of business owners I talk to are split. Some want their accounting with the ERP, and some don't want to switch off what they have. With BatchMaster, you get to choose. You can use the back office apps that you have or integrate your own. Just keep in mind that the native integrations only include QuickBooks, Sage, SAP Business One, and Business Central. Beyond that, you'll need custom work. Another big reason companies choose BatchMaster is regulatory requirements. For example, if you're in the food and beverage space, you'll need to comply with the new FSMA 204 rule before 2028. The system has everything you need for this. It records key tracking events and makes it easy to provide traceability info within 24 hours. Or if you manufacture chemicals, you can classify hazards and print GHS labels. So whatever you produce, you'll be compliant while doing so. So what are my final thoughts on BatchMaster? I think it's a strong option for growing process manufacturers that need a serious formulation, batch production, and compliance features. Thanks for watching.